on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do A/B testing. I'm going to show you two different ways because there's two ways that you can do it, and one way is very specific and niche. So let's get right into that. So what you're going to want to do is first, you're going to go into the campaign that you're looking at and that you want to do an A/B test for. As you can see, I already got an A and B test set up, but I'm going to show you how to make a quick one real quick. You do not want to use this option at the top here. You want to click whatever campaign you're trying to A/B test for and go into edit. Now, another thing that you need to make sure is that you're only changing one variable at a time. Changing multiple variables will not give you any test data that is relevant. So just make sure you're changing the one at a time. That could be the headline, that could be the primary text, that could be the ad creative, the audience, whatever it may be. Now, doing this quick and simple way, you need to go to the ad set or go to the campaign level and go to create A/B test. Another thing that you're going to want to know is you want to create a completely new campaign for your A/B test. You do not want to run an A/B test with an ad inside of a campaign because the budget is going to get split up unevenly. So you always want to give it an even budget because that's not what you're trying to test, is the budget. So anyways, go to A/B test right here. As you can see, choose what to test, select the test settings, and get results. So this is just the quick way. Make sure inside the campaign that you want to do a test for in the ad, make a copy of this ad. Yes. Then we're going to go to next, select the variable to test. See there, you can do creative, placement, whatever you want to do. We'll just do creative. Select the ad. We want to do this ad. Then we go to next. And as you can see, the test name is creative test. The cost per results, the key metric you do not want to change because we already changed the creative. So if you wanted to do one where you just change the key metric, obviously you're not going to be able to go to previous over here and click nothing. That's just not what you're going to be able to do. So you're going to want to create an entirely new campaign and duplicate it and do it manually. So this is how you do the quick way. Now the longer way right here is you select the campaign that you want to duplicate, then you go to duplicate. Now I'm not going to do that in this one since this is a client and I don't want to fool with their data too much. I'm going to go over here to our personal account. I'm going to go simply into select which campaign you want. Make sure the check mark is to the side on the left box. Then click duplicate. You're going to select the number of copies. Boom. It has been duplicated completely exactly how it was before. So let's say that you wanted to change that key metric. You would go to the ad set. And here we are. We would select websites instead. And that is the only thing I would change at that point. We want to see which one performs better. Now, say you didn't want to do a change in the metric. You wanted to do a change of the headline. Obviously, the headlines were not one of the options in the quick way. You would just go down here and you would change the primary text to whatever you're saying. So this is a med spa. We'll just do we'll do skincare. And boom. So that is basically how you create an A/B test. And then this one, you just monitor for how long, do it about 2 weeks or so to see which one performs better. The other one, of course, you can set the calendar date as you saw. But anyways, that is how you run an A/B test for Facebook. Just make sure you only do one variable. If you're looking for more interesting and fun ways to optimize your ads on Facebook and Meta ads, click on one of these videos here and see you in the next one.